What if I told you the biggest security risk to your account is not your password, is not your token, but it's you? Did you ask how? Listen, how easily you trust the right message at the right moment from what looks like the right person. Think about it. Welcome back to lesson 3 of the digital footprint and online reputation management masterclass. In the last 2 videos, we covered what your digital footprint is. We also covered active and passive digital footprint. Today, we are looking at how someone else can actually weaponize your footprint against you. It's called social engineering. Social engineering is psychological manipulation into revealing confidential information or taking an action you normally would not. It's not hacking your device, it is hacking your trust. A fake identity, a phishing email, a fake job offer, someone impersonating your bank or your boss, or even a very close friend. Here is where it gets personal. Attackers or scammers don't guess, they research. Your public digital footprint, your job title on LinkedIn, your hometown address on Facebook, your recent tweet about a trip, all of it becomes raw materials. They use it to craft a message that feels believable, targeted, and personal. It follows a pattern. They gather your public information, they build trust, they manipulate you into taking action. And once you click reply or hand over a personal detail, the damage is done. It can lead to banking fraud, stolen credentials, personalized targeting that gets more precise every single time. The biggest giveaway: urgency and familiarity. If a message feels rushed or suspiciously personal, that is not a coincidence. That is the tactic. Verify before you trust. So, next time a message feels a little too perfect, a little too urgent, stop and verify first. Because in the next video, we are going one step further. How companies called data brokers are already collecting, packaging, and selling your personal information, and it is completely legal. You need to see this one. Subscribe so you don't miss it, just in case if you have not done so. Now, have you ever gotten a message that felt suspiciously personal? Tell me in the comment section. See you in lesson 4. Bye for now.